So I'm at Tuck's Gym, Powerdome in Griffin, Georgia. I'm about to do the outdoor walking trail. This is the outdoor gym. Kind of cool. Got some punching bags in there and stuff. I might use them when I get a little better in shape. And this. Welcome to the Powerdome. I love this. Walk and run at your own risk, as you may encounter oh my god. I'm almost curious to rip those up, see what I might encounter. I'm not sure. Anyway, so kind of funny. And a speed bag. Oh, I'm gonna use that speed bag. Oh yeah. But this is kind of cool. This is the kind of trail I liked in California. I like it when it's uneven because you get a little bit better of a workout. You gotta pay attention to your feet and what's going on. I'm not wearing flip-flops, obviously. Because I just worked out. I love my personal. Look at this. Antibiotic Creek. Isn't that funny? That's so cute. People are so funny. There's the creek. And this, I think that's like some, got a piece of old gym equipment out here. I'm not touching that. Not touching it, kids. No, no. All them cobwebs. I'm probably going to hit a cobweb in a minute here. So, yeah. Anyway. So, anyway, I love my personal trainer, James Pitbull Searcy. Apparently, he's a powerlifting legend. I didn't know anything when I got here. I'm like, huh? Who? What? What's powerlifting? So stupid. Anyway, but I'm learning. And I know he knows what he's doing. And he pushes me. Oh my Lord. Yes, he does. I'm getting good workout. Way better than the wellness center. You know, now that I'm away from the wellness center, I know that what a joke it is. So, I'm not gonna go into it. I'm just glad I got out of there. Things were getting weird, let's just put it that way. I had to get out. And since I'm wanting to get rid of the last part of this belly fat, that's phase one. Get all the fat off. And then go into some kind of training after that. You know, when I started this, let's see, last April 2019, I had a gym member, or the wellness center, but I didn't use it. And then I had a gallbladder attack, and I was like, okay, that's it. That's enough. So that motivated me, because it feels like a heart attack. So yeah, that's a wake-up call right there. And so I started, and I was fat, and out of shape, and out of breath, and out of strength, and out of everything, endurance. And I told her, they asked me my goal, and I said, I'm gonna get my bikini body back. And they just laughed. They ain't laughing now. Oh no, I'm gonna get it. Believe you me. I don't care how old I am. I did construction work for a year when I turned 40. I guess I was having a midlife crisis. No, I'm not gay. But they were having a program. I was at the job center and there was a flyer and they said we're looking for women. You know, always looking for women for men's jobs. And there's a 2-month training program which was actually, it was a lot of fun actually. I learned, we built, they had a big yard and we built a room addition, framed it up and everything. And then we also, what all did we do? I don't know. And then we had classroom work. We learned math, tape measure. Some people were going for electrician. So we're doing all the basic math and a little bit more advanced math. It was actually pretty interesting. Like I said, I really enjoyed it. And then I had initially wanted to go for electrician, which is math heavy, and but that's like a process. You have to go through testing and all this, and you have to wait till there's openings, testing opportunities. You're pretty much on their schedule, and so there was nothing available, but there was a concrete carpentry job available when I graduated, so I took it. So in the Carpenters Union. So my first job, and thank goodness they liked me. It lasted 9 months, and we were working on a remodel of a basically a sewer plant, I guess, water treatment. That was a learning experience. But overall it was fun. I lost a lot of weight. Got nice and trim. So I'm like, you know, if I can do that at 40, what can I not do if I put my mind to it? I mean, the first 2 weeks of that job was hell. I thought I was going to die. Out in the sun and the wind, in the heat. But I did it. And they thought I was going to quit. They thought I was like some little Miss Priss from the suburbs. Out for a lark. But I kept at it. I just kept coming back. Stubborn. So I'm like, okay, yeah, I bleached my hair blonde, but I'm really Irish. I got that stubborn streak. I'm like, I'm not gonna let this thing beat me. So yeah. So anyway, telling stories all about myself. How did I get into that? I don't know. So anyway, the trail. I think this is actually a city access road right here. So you go down here and you loop around. And I just love a gym that has a hiking trail. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful hiking trail. Haven't really had too much problem with mosquitoes or anything. Let's see. This, let's see what it is. It's mid. Now we're coming nigh into late August. Been having a lot of rain lately. It's gonna rain for a week. The next week, not all day long, but probably a couple hours here and there. So if I went straight here, I would head out to the road. But I'm going to hang a right, go up this little hill, and so pretty. Like I said, I just love that they did this. Usually when you join a gym, you don't get a hiking trail. Way better than walking around a track. I don't know how people do that. I just can't. I can't. I can barely stand the treadmill. So yeah. Got a little bridge. Little bridge. End it with a little hill. I can't tell this uphill in the video, but believe you me, it's uphill. I'll be out of breath by the time we get to the top. Trying to talk and walk at the same time. And I just finished my workout. Usually I'm too tired to try something like walk the trail. I'm gonna probably walk it twice now, just to see I did. Coming up on the Powerdome. That's the other thing too, I like being around real men. The wellness center was anything but. So, to the Powerdome. And we made it. China mushroom season.